NBIS. What if I told you one of the hottest AI stocks right now may not be done running yet? Because Nebius Group is showing something investors rarely ignore: explosive momentum, strong buyer confidence, and a technical setup that could push this stock even higher. But here's the big question. Is Nebius preparing for another breakout toward $250? Or is this rally getting dangerously overheated? Let's break it down. Nebius has already shocked the market this year. After spending months trapped in a frustrating range between roughly $75 and $150, the stock suddenly exploded through resistance like it wasn't even there. And that move changed everything. Once NBIS broke above key resistance around 150 and then pushed through the 140 zone, buyers rushed in aggressively. What followed was exactly what technical traders love to see: breakout, retest, and continuation. Instead of collapsing after a huge move, Nebius pulled back, found support, and kept climbing. That's usually a sign of strong institutional demand. Now, what's making this rally even more impressive is the speed and size of the move. On the monthly chart, Nebius is doing something it has literally never done before. The stock is seeing its biggest move ever, with volatility and trading volume surging to levels we haven't seen in its history. That matters, because when a stock suddenly wakes up after being relatively quiet for a long time, it usually means investor confidence is changing fast. And there may be a reason for that. Nebius continues strengthening its position in the AI infrastructure space, one of the hottest sectors in the market right now. As demand for AI computing power keeps growing, investors are increasingly looking at companies that provide the backbone for artificial intelligence. And Nebius is becoming part of that conversation. Now let's talk technicals. The daily chart still looks incredibly strong. NBIS recently broke to fresh highs, experienced a small pullback, then quickly resumed its uptrend. Even after volatility, the stock keeps printing higher lows, a classic bullish signal. And then came the latest move, a massive gap up. The stock jumped nearly 10%, and instead of selling off, buyers immediately stepped in and pushed it even higher. That's important because strong gap ups that refuse to fill often signal serious momentum. In simple terms, buyers are not waiting for dips anymore. They're chasing strength. And that usually means confidence remains high. Now, the next key area traders are watching is around the previous highs near 2 through 33. If Nebius can decisively break and hold above that level, many traders believe the next psychological target becomes $250. And psychologically, round numbers like $250 often attract major attention from traders and institutions. But here's the reality check. Nebius is now trading in what traders call blue sky territory.